Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Platypus GravityWorks water filter. The ease of use offered by the Platypus GravityWorks will be difficult to beat, especially for large-scale groups. To use GravityWorks, just fill up your dirty water bag, place it over that of the clean bag, and let gravity work its magic. The most important benefit? It isn't a lot of pumping or squeezing needed. This is especially useful for large numbers, as the process of filtering water can be a bit obnoxious. There's a downside to the ease of using the GravityWorks, but it is in the shape of weight. We like to travel lightweight as possible during our backcountry adventures, and so we only use the GravityWorks if we are able to take it on the rest of the group. Platypus also offers the GravityWorks available in the form of a 2-liter kit as well as a 2-liter bottle kits, however we prefer the larger model. Number 2 in this best camping water filter list is Sawyer Products Mini Water Filtration System. The filter weighs just 2 grams and fits into one hand. You can either fill the bag with dirty water or use the straw to drink at the point of. The membrane that is enclosed is valued as 0.1 microns, which makes it extremely effective at getting rid of protozoa, bacteria and cysts. Purchase with confidence, knowing that each filter that is produced by production is tested 3 points during the process of manufacturing to ensure assurance of quality. Every filter is disposable and has a lifespan of over 100,000 gallons. It's likely that you'll never have a replacement. The bottom is always up. Perfect for outdoor recreation such as hiking and camping, scouting, national and international travel, as well as emergency preparation. High-performance 0.1 micron absolute inline filter can be carried in the palm of your hand and weighs only 2 ounces. 100% of mini units have been tested by hand 3 times for performance by Sawyer. For details, let's watch more.
And easy, and you have a clean filter.
Our third pick is Katadyn B3 water filter. Its name is Katadyn B3. Katadyn B3 is a low-cost filter that is lightweight and has an amazing flow rate considering the size of it. You can drink straight from this filter even while in transit thanks to its bottle-style top, which is ideal for short and quick trips. The bottle we tested doesn't seem to be durable enough for frequent use over time, which is why we prefer pairing our BeFree with a more durable and flexible HydroPack Flux Soft water bottle. If you decide to use this option, you'll save a few dollars by buying a new filter but not the bottle that comes with it. The Katadyn B3 is an excellent choice for backpackers who want a speedy alternative to the traditional pump, squeeze, or gravity filters. For details, let's watch more.
The Katadyn B3 1-liter collapsible filter is the perfect smash, stash, and go water filter for on-the-go lifestyles. For the adventure traveler who packs for weight savings while abroad, the BeFree 1-liter will become a staple in your luggage and your most innovative companion, whether refilling at the airport or at the stream near your final destination. With the BeFree filter, you no longer have to worry about where your next drink will come from. Carry and filter fresh water as you go. The BeFree filter uses Katadyn Easy Clean filter technology to remove protozoa and bacteria, even in the most challenging water conditions. The BeFree filter is designed to last longer than other filters without the hassle of backflushing or carrying clumsy tools. It is the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. Free flow channels provide sophisticated clean drinking water at a rate of 2 liters per minute with a simple squeeze. The BeFree filter's water measurements allow you to easily measure and refill companion bottles and cook or wash dishes at camp. Smash, stash, and go with the BeFree for every outdoor and travel adventure. The BeFree easily packs down into your day pack, jacket pocket, and travel luggage. The BeFree 1-liter filter is the ideal size for a variety of front and back country travel. Hikers, runners, cyclists, travelers, and campers love the BeFree for its ability to hydrate users no matter where their journey takes them. For more details, visit katadyn.com.
Fourth pick in our best camping water filter list is Grail Ultralight Water Purifier Bottle. This Grail Purifier bottle gives as much convenience as one can ask for. Pour this 16-ounce bottle into streams or lakes to fill it up, then apply pressure quickly on the base and then you're on your way. While you drink, various stages of filtration will provide you with 150 liters of clean water between replacements for the filter. Ceramic fiber filters with ion exchange tech get rid of pathogens and other particles. The activated carbon process removes the odors, heavy metals, and tastes. This system is not only an exceptional camping equipment, but it's also a thoughtful travel partner, too. When you're in areas in which the quality of water is doubtful, you can quietly refill your water bottle to purify the water in your area without creating a scene or offending your hosts. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is LifeStraw water filter. Get a secure drink at the go with a LifeStraw personalized water purifier. It won't fully make it easy to fill your water bottle or hydration bladder, however it's likely the most efficient method to drink a glass of water without the risk of a trip in the ICU. The microfiltration membrane is able to remove an extensive list of harmful parasites and bacteria as quickly as you drink. It also reduces the amount of sediment and other debris from the water to a significant extent. Each straw can clean up to 4,000 liters of water using no additional additives, moving parts, or attachments. Simply stick the intake end in the water body and then drink it up. It measures 1 inch in diameter, 9 inches long, and weighing just 2 ounces. Using this to your primary filtration system or a reliable backup is an easy decision.